Well, a group of German tourists got the shock of a lifetime when a hungry great white attacked their rubber boat. These images show the 12-foot female savaging the side of the vessel, causing part of it to deflate. The attack took place off the coast of Mossel Bay in South Africa. The tourists had been on a sightseeing expedition to watch seals when the shark turned up. Well, it is understood that these German tourists had in fact made their way to Mossel Bay in South Africa for seal watching, and hence were on a rubber boat, not expecting that there would be a great white out there attacking them. In fact, you could see the shark there also almost clamping down on that rubber boat, and also managed to deflate one side of the boat, giving all the tourists quite a scare.